Hello students, today's topic is alcohol abuse. First we have to know about what is abuse. Use of something for a bad purpose or simply misuse is known as abuse. So alcohol abuse means misuse of alcohol. Generally, alcohol is used in some medicines for conducting experiments in laboratory. In many cold countries, little amount of alcohol is permitted and harmless, but excessive consuming is called as alcohol abuse. First, we know some benefits of alcohol. Alcohol is used as antiseptic. Here, antiseptic means it prevents the growth of disease-causing microorganisms. It is also used as disinfectant. It can also be used in mouthwashes. Alcohol is a depressant. It slows down brain function and neural activity. So it slows down a person's judgment, emotion and all senses. So it provides feeling of relaxation. Alcohol is sedative and anesthetic. Loss of sensation and pain is known as anesthetic. Chemically, alcohol refers to ethyl alcohol or ethanol. Basically, it is a colorless fluid and it is produced from grapes, cereals and other carbohydrates with the help of yeast by the process of fermentation. Now, the definition of fermentation is it is a metabolic process of converting carbohydrates into acid or alcohol. This process occurs in microorganisms such as bacteria or fungi or yeast. Regular consumption of alcohol causes dependency on alcohol. This is known as alcoholism and the person is known as alcoholic. Dependency is categorized into physical, psychological or physiological. Physical dependency means body needs the presence of certain substances to maintain the function. Psychological dependency means the desire for that substance like alcohol, tea, coffee, any kind of drugs or cigarette, etc. Physiological dependency is the chemical need for the substance like alcohol. As we know that regular intake of alcohol leads to dependency, that's why discontinuation of alcohol causes abnormal physical and psychological symptoms. This is known as withdrawal symptoms. The symptoms are headache, vomiting, restlessness, rapid heartbeat, anxiety, high blood pressure, less appetite, severing, etc. Now, we have to know the reason for consumption of alcohol. The reasons are desire to consume for excitement, for curiosity or pleasure, or if someone have a family history or unhappy life at home or office, to avoid failure or disappointment in their work field, social pressure, or to overcome the hardship of day-to-day life. Now, students, let's discuss about what happens when alcohol is consumed. Alcohol immediately absorbed in the alimentary canal, then it enters into the tissue and starts oxidation process. Large amount of energy in the form of heat is generated. This heat is quickly lost through the skin. It also reduces blood supply to internal organs. So energy released is not utilized by the body. Let's discuss about the effects of alcohol on different internal organs. First is the effect on stomach. Lower concentration of alcohol initiates secretion of gastric juice. So it acts as an appetizer. But in case of high concentration, it secretes more amount of gastric juice, which leads to peptic ulcer or gastritis. Here, peptic ulcer defines that damage in the internal lining or mucous membrane of stomach or duodenum. Gastritis means inflammation, irritation in the lining of stomach. The symptoms of gastritis are vomiting, heartburn, loss of appetite, etc. The second one is the effect on liver. As we know that liver is the associated digestive gland, and many kind of processes or many kind of metabolic processes occurs inside the liver. For example, gluconeogenesis, glycogenolysis, etc. In liver, alcohol converts into acetaldehyde with the help of an enzyme alcohol dehydrogenase. Next, it converts into fat. Fat globules push the hepatocyte and fat synthesis increases inside the liver. It is known as fatty liver syndrome. Liver also becomes enlarged in heart. With continued alcohol intake, destruction of hepatocyte occurs. It is also replaced by fibrous tissue. This condition is known as cirrhosis or liver cirrhosis. Liver hepatitis and liver cancer or liver carcinoma also happen. Here, hepatitis means inflammation of liver caused by drinking too much alcohol. The third one is effect on heart. Working of heart is affected by consuming alcohol. It deposits fat inside the arterial wall, which leads to increase in blood pressure. The rate of heartbeat also increases. This condition is known as tachycardia. It leads to myocardiopathy. Myocardiopathy means disorder in heart muscle, especially myocardium. The fourth one is effect on kidney. Alcohol consumption causes decreases secretion of ADH or vasopressin. ADH means antidiuretic hormone. So more amount of dilute urine is produced and the person becomes dehydrated. As we know that ADH or vasopressin helps in water reabsorption. Next one is the effect on central nervous system or CNS. As we know that alcohol slows down the function of CNS by affecting the neurons. So anxiety and tension reduces. It first affects cerebrum. So the person loses judgment capacity, willpower, self-control, etc. Then it affects cerebellum. Due to that, person loses muscular coordination, power to speak clearly, that is incoherent speech, manner of walking is lost, that is staggering gait, vision is also hampered. That's why it creates multiple images and also enhances hallucination. So the addict cannot distinguish the correct image. Due to this, accident also happens. Cerebral hemorrhage may also occur. Cerebral hemorrhage means bleeding in cerebrum due to rupture of an artery. The next one is the effect on reproductive system. In case of male, alcohol reduces male gamete or sperm production. But in case of female, alcohol reduces the size of ovary. Lack of menstrual cycle also happens. In both male and female, infertility arises. Infertility means problem in production of offspring. The last one is the effect on fetus. During pregnancy, alcohol consumption results in serious consequences in fetal development. In fetus, abnormal formation of heart, limb, brain occurs. This condition is known as fetal alcohol syndrome or FAS. Many other kind of effects are also seen. Some are alcoholism leads to malnutrition. It reduces immunity. Anemia also happens. Sometimes it slows down the respiration rate, increases sleepiness or drowsiness, and lowers the body temperature. This is the life-threatening events, or maybe death also occurs due to alcohol. Thank you.